Hi, today I'm going to show you how to fix a vacuum sealer that has a problem with its heating element. This is the heating element. It's used to seal the bag. You can see the line that is made in the bag when the heating element is turned on and it's pressed against the bag. This particular unit has an issue. You can see the little hole. There's a hole in the Teflon tape that covers the heating element, and that hole is heating up the plastic too much. When we use the vacuum sealer to seal the bag, it creates a little hole in the bag, and of course, a vacuum bag with a hole does not work. Before we start this project, we're going to make sure that the unit is unplugged. Now, the solution is really straightforward. You first buy a roll of Teflon tape. These are available on Amazon. This one I bought for about $10, and I'm sure it's going to last me a while because there's much more on here than I need to repair one single vacuum sealer. We're going to start by removing the old Teflon tape, which should just peel off. And you're going to notice that there's some sticky residue left here. I'm going to carefully clean that sticky residue off of the heating element. I do not want to break that heating element. And you can see the sticky residue comes off. And you can expose the shiny heating element underneath. But I'm going to do this very gently because if I break that element, then the whole unit is useless. I'm just going to keep rubbing it, and it's peeling off. You can feel it peeling off. Where the hole had been burnt through the Teflon tape, the residue is actually a little harder to get off. It's a bit sticky there, so it needs a little bit of water, and then a dry paper towel. Water, dry paper towel. And I'm applying some mild pressure. Again, I do not want to break this metal strip. Behind the metal strip, you can see a silver surface. That's an insulator. That's to prevent the strip from melting into the plastic when it gets turned on. Applying the new tape is really straightforward. You can see that the tape has a backing on it at the very beginning. And then just peel it out, cover the whole length. Try to center it as best you can. And cover the entire element. That feels pretty good. I'm going to take a sharp pair of scissors. I'm going to trim each side. I don't have to trim it all the way to the element. And it's ready to go. All right, we're going to plug the unit back in. And we're going to grab a scrap piece of bag to test with. We're going to test the seal. And there we go, a nice clean seal. A little bit of moisture in there, but there's no hole, and it should be good to use. Again, all you need is a pair of scissors and a roll of Teflon tape and a little patience to clean off the residue. I'll put a link to this product below the video, and good luck with your repair.